In this video, I'll show you how to edit sales form styles in QuickBooks Online using the new interface, so your invoices, estimates, and sales receipts look professional and include only the details your customers actually need. Start by clicking the gear icon in the top right, then open Custom Form Styles to view your library of designs. Find the style you want to change and click Edit to open the customization screen. First, adjust the look. Update the template or layout, upload or resize your logo, choose brand colors with good contrast, and pick a clear font so the form stays readable on screen and as a PDF. Use the live preview as you tweak spacing and alignment, keeping totals and due dates easy to spot. Next, customize the content by turning fields on or off, things like shipping info, PO number, terms, due date, and tax details, so you avoid clutter while still meeting business and compliance needs. Add a short footer note for payment instructions or a friendly message if you want consistency across every form. When everything looks right, preview the PDF, then click Done to save, so the updated style appears automatically the next time you create that form. Subscribe for more QuickBooks tutorials that make your documents clean and your workflow faster.